If you are in your 20s or 30s and feel like you're financially behind, you're definitely not alone. Many people feel lost or stuck, not because they lack the ability to succeed, but because they have never been taught how to set clear, actionable financial goals. This video is designed to change that by showing you exactly what goals to aim for and how to get started. We're not talking about vague goals like get rich or save more. We're covering specific, time-bound steps that can lead to long-term financial security. And the earlier you start, the more impact you will see. Before we dive in, if you've struggled with your money mindset, check out my video on what is a financial mindset. It is the perfect primer for reshaping how you approach money, and it lays the foundation for the steps I'm about to cover. Why should you set financial goals early? According to a study by the National Endowment for Financial Education, people who set specific financial goals are more likely to save consistently and feel confident in their financial decisions. When you are young, time is your biggest asset. Compound interest, investing momentum, and savings habits all reward those who start early. But that doesn't mean it is too late if you're 30 plus. You still have plenty of runway. The difference is strategy. Setting financial goals early gives you direction and purpose, better control over debt, clear benchmarks for progress, and long-term peace of mind. Let's walk through the top financial goals you should be working on, along with real tips to help you make them happen. 1. Build a starter emergency fund. Your first financial goal should be saving $500 to $1,000 for emergencies. It might not sound like much, but it can be the difference between financial stability and financial crisis. According to the Federal Reserve's Economic Well-Being Report, 37% of Americans wouldn't be able to cover a $400 emergency without borrowing money. Why it matters? Car repairs, medical bills, or a sudden job hiccup shouldn't derail your finances. Start small and automate your savings with each paycheck. 2. Pay off high-interest debt. High-interest debt, especially credit card debt, is one of the biggest barriers to financial growth. Credit cards often carry interest rates between 16 and 25%, making them extremely expensive if you carry a balance. If you are in your 20s or 30s and have revolving debt, your goal should be to pay it off aggressively. Use the debt avalanche method, paying off the highest interest debt first, or the debt snowball method, paying off the smallest debts for momentum. 3. Build a 3 to 6 month emergency fund. Once you have paid off toxic debt and save $1,000, level up. Your next target is to save 3 to 6 months of essential living expenses. This fund will guard you during life changes like job loss, relocation, or medical emergencies. This should be kept in a high-yield savings account so it stays liquid but earns modest interest. Most financial advisors agree that this is a must-have financial buffer by your early 30s. 4. Start investing, even if it's small. You do not need thousands to start investing. If you're in your 20s, investing just $100 a month could grow over to $180,000 by age 60, assuming a 7% average return. Waiting even 10 years to start will cost you big. This is why starting early, even small, is better than starting big later. Open a Roth IRA. Contribute to your 401k if your job offers one, especially with matching. And consider low-fee index funds or ETFs. 5. Set SMART financial goals. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Studies from Dominican University found that people who write down their goals are 42% more likely to achieve them. Don't just say, I want to save more. Give that goal structure. Speaking of common missteps to avoid, if you haven't already, make sure to watch my video titled 5 Common Money Mistakes That Keep You Stuck. It is the perfect companion to this one and exposes the silent habits that quietly erode your finances. mistakes people don't even realize they're making until it's too late. 6. Start a side hustle or increased income streams. A powerful financial goal in your 20s and 30s is increasing your income capacity. Whether it's freelancing, creating a digital product, or monetizing a skill, building secondary income streams helps you pay off debt faster, invest more, and build security. You're young enough to experiment, fail, pivot, and grow. Use this time to learn skills that give you leverage. 7. Understand your credit score and improve it. Your credit score affects everything from apartment applications to car insurance rates. A score above 700 opens financial doors. One of your goals should be to track your credit report regularly and aim to maintain or improve it. Good habits include paying bills on time, keeping credit utilization below 30%, and avoiding unnecessary hard inquiries. 8. Create a financial plan. As you build these goals, bring them together into a simple, personal financial plan. This isn't just a budget, it's a map for your money tailored to your dreams. Include your income, expenses, savings targets, debt payoff plan, and investing goals. Revisit it every few months to stay on course. If you want a full guide on this, check out my upcoming video on what is a financial plan and how do you make one. If you have ever felt lost in your financial journey, these 8 goals will give you direction. If you've ever felt like you are doing okay but not progressing, these steps will unlock the next level. So don't just watch, apply them. If you want to delve deeper into these topics, there are numerous resources worth exploring. Achieving financial stability in your 20s and 30s isn't about perfection, it is about progress. By setting clear goals like building an emergency fund, paying off debt, investing early, and creating a plan, you are setting the stage for long-term success. These habits, once in place, can reshape your financial future and give you the peace of mind that comes from knowing you're in control. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video, Lord willing. Until next time, stay intentional with your finances, keep learning, and as always, Soli Deo Gloria.